Hey guys, this is Isis and Delana, and we are on Carnival Valor, room 7371. You have the normal closet, three. Your bathroom, Delana, can you open it?
I sure can.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Why is it not turning on?
Guess I need to put my card in, sorry. But this is the bathroom. I'll come back, I'll put my card in. Then here is the sofa. King bed. Shelf. Hi, it's me. My shirt.
And
Bon
Delana.
voyage. And Delana.
Hi.
Nice size TV. And the most important part. Oh, you also have a window. And pay attention to that. The balcony. Push out.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Here's the beautiful balcony.
Yes. And right now we are at the Port of New Orleans. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I will answer each one. And we are on our way to Cozumel, Mexico and Yucatan, Progreso. And if you found this video helpful, please
Like and subscribe.
thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.